Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel, Write with Celia or Celia Freeman. Welcome, and I thank you all for joining me today for this video. Today we are going to talk about two websites that I recommend for first-time authors who are creating their book and need help outsourcing to people and websites that you trust to hire people to help you with your book creation. So I'm going to share two websites that I personally have used and found success with, so I want to share with you so you guys can use them too. The first website or app that I'm going to talk to you about is called Upwork. It's U-P-W-O-R-K. Upwork. It is a reliable and great source for those of us who want to outsource some of our stuff. As an author, I found that doing the illustrations myself wasn't very smart because I'm really not that great at it the way I want it to be. So I decided to outsource my illustrator and hire someone to do the illustrations for me. So I went to Upwork, I typed in Illustrator, I found tons of options. Upwork is very trustworthy. I've used it for my book, and my book illustrations, bing, right there behind me, costed around $400, which might sound like a lot of money to you right now, but it's really not that bad at all. It's actually very affordable for some of the books that I've seen and know how much it cost the author to illustrate the book. So it's very affordable, and the best thing about Upwork is that not only can you be very specific about what you're looking for, but you also have the option of talking about price. The price is not a set price because you can actually negotiate with the person you're talking to, and you both decide on a price and what you think is fair. So that is a very big option and very good option when it comes to posting things online, especially on Upwork. Upwork is a very easy app to use. All you have to do is sign in, create a log, create a password, save it, and then add your information for your credit card or your debit card, or add it through PayPal, and you can have all your information. It's safe and sound on there. I've used it and I've never had a problem with it. Knock on wood. I've never had a problem with it, and it's been great. I love it. I've been able to find video editors, illustrators, voice commenters, I'm trying to think other things I bought on there. I've used it quite a bit actually. So Upwork is definitely a trustworthy website, and I definitely suggest you check it out if you're looking for an illustrator or formatter or somebody to help you with your book, an editor especially, anything like that. I'd suggest you check it out. The second website I'm going to quickly introduce to you is called FIVERR. It is very, very similar to Upwork. There's a few differences. FIVERR is almost exactly like Upwork. It works the same way. All you do is download the app on your phone or go on your computer, create a login, save your password, and then add in your information, making a profile, and then all you have to do is look up who you're looking for, look at their information, hire them, and then follow through with your contract, and then you have a finished product. So both of those apps, Upwork and FIVERR, are very, very good to use. They're affordable, you don't have to do a whole lot of work, and it literally gives you so many options. You can find anything on these apps and you pick out your price range, which is awesome. So if you're looking for two apps that will help you outsource some of your work for your book or whatever project you're working on, I'm specifically talking to you authors out there because I know what it's like to have to outsource and hire someone to do my illustrations or my editing for me. Upwork and FIVERR are your two apps that you want to take a look at, and possibly hire someone to help you with your book so you get it done a lot faster. I have a PDF that I'm going to put in the comments that you can download, and it will take you step by step through one of the apps, and it's basically the same as the other app as well, so it will literally tell you how to use both of them. And there we go. You have learned about two apps that I personally have used. I found them to be very helpful, and I think they're great apps, and I would definitely highly recommend you check them out if you're looking to outsource anything such as illustrator, editor, formatter, anything for your book. I definitely suggest you check them out. They're great apps, and they're just very easy to use and very straightforward. Also, check out my PDF down below, and that will take you through a step-by-step with pictures, mind you, step-by-step with pictures on how to use Upwork, because that's one of my main ones that I use the most. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that jazz. And I will see you in the next video.